Hi there, this is Balvinder from NZ Sim. Today we are going to cover how we can create a campaign and ad groups using Keyword Planner. In before video, I just mentioned you about how we can use a Keyword Planner and what is the different aspect we can use it. But in this video, I'm just going to tell you about the shortcut how you can use Keyword Planner and find the suitable keywords and directly put into your campaign, and you can make the campaign and ad groups with that. So as I mentioned you, I have one account. I have one client, nzfix.co.nz. That client is just providing a mobile phone repair services, laptop repair services in New Zealand. So what we need to do, I just need to find a suitable keywords for that client. So I just need to click on this tools and come on this keyword planner. Once I come on this keyword planner, I will get this window. We will need to just click on find new keywords, and I will just randomly put some keywords. Let's repair mobile phone repair mobile phone repair. Enter iPhone. That client is just provide iPhone screen replacement services as well, and Samsung mobile repair. Randomly I'm just going to put these things, and mobile phone repair, iPhone repair these things. That client is just providing this different services. So get started, so get the idea. So as I mentioned you before, location you can directly set it from there, New Zealand, and any specific area would like to target, you can just continue with that, cancel it. You can select the languages, you can select the Google and search partner. As I mentioned in a previous video, just go and check my previous video, you will get an idea from there. So ad filter we can use, as I'm just going to set the competition medium. I'm just happy for medium competition. So you can see here mobile phone repair this month, this last 12 month that I got competition. Mobile phone repair, that average monthly searches was 100 to 1k, and the competition was medium, and I need to pay a minimum bid this and maximum this for the top page high rank. So I'm just going to randomly select the keywords what I need. Mobile phone repair and mobile related to mobile phone repair, not iPhone at the moment. iPhone will just separate it with the ad groups. So I will just click in mobile phone repair, cell phone repair. That's good for me. For these two keywords, I'm just going to find a suitable for mobile phone repair, or just check it. Is it? So what do you need to do? If I have these two keywords, what I need to do, I just need to adding a new ad group. I'm just going to make a new group. This is new ad group. This is mobile phone repair. I just made this group. So create this group. In this group I'm just going to put this mobile phone repair and cell phone, and you can put is according to you. So add to plan, so it's in the plan. So now I have some keywords related to iPhones. I'm just going to click it. iPhone repairs, iPhone screen repairs, iPhone repair near me. That's good. iPhone 5s screen repair, iPhone 5 screen repair, iPhone screen repair, iPhone 5c screen repair. That's phone with me. iPhone 6s repair, iPhone screen repair, iPhone repairs. This is all iPhone battery repairs. This is all keywords is related from the iPhone. What I need to do, I will just make another ad group under the name iPhone repair. I just made this ad group, so create this group and add to plan. So I just made these things here. So now as I search a Samsung repair as well here, Samsung mobile repair as well here. So I will just check this keywords, Samsung repair center. If if I have a Samsung repair center, so I can just click on there. So screen fix. So I cannot find a suitable keywords related to Samsung. So whatever I will do, I will just cancel this one, cancel cancel this one and cancel this one and get result from there. So I will have a suitable result for Samsung repair. So competitions would be medium, apply. So Samsung repair is suitable, Samsung phone repair, Samsung screen repair, Samsung repair center is not. If you have a center, you can just click this one. So if someone looking for Samsung repair center, so your ad will be popped. So Samsung screen repair, Samsung repair, this kind of keywords I would like to add in my campaign. So cheap phone repair, Samsung S7 repair. So this kind of keywords I would like to add in my new ad group. That ad group I will create this as a Samsung phone repair. So I just made this group, ad group for here. So I will create this one and add to plan. So this keywords is in my ad group, Samsung ad group. So if I need to look at same, you can guys make a different ad groups. Let's say my campaign name is mobile phone. I will just going to make it, and in this way you can make a different ad groups. Mobile phone, in the mobile phone repair you can make iPhone repair, Samsung repair ad group, HTC repair ad group, LG repair ad group. So you can make this ad groups differently, and you can put the keywords accordingly. So if I need to check this, so let's say one more thing, I'm just going to check it out here. LG repair. So get a result, how many people just for LG repair. So here LG refrigerator, not a LG refrigerator, I need a LG mobile phone repair. LG mobile phone repair, just get an idea. PHONE, get an idea. So here you have some keywords, 63 keywords Google just give it to you. So let's say that NZ Fix provide LG repair services, LG mobile phone repair services. So I will just click this one, LG repair. So this is the average monthly. So this is very low monthly research, but we will just try to make a campaign with this keywords. So LG refrigerator, not, I'm just not going to refrigerator repairing. LG G5 screen replacement, LG screen replacements, and these two keywords at the moment. I have LG mobile phone repair services, I believe so. Yep. So these three keywords I need to just add in my ad group. So what I will do, I will just create a new group. So LG repair, LG phone repair. So I will create this ad groups according to my keywords, but that need to click add to plan. So this is all keywords in my plan. So about this all plan overview I already mentioned in my previous video. Just guys click on my previous video and check it out, and how this we can just check it, this plan overview. So here in an ad group I just need to click on this ad group, and in this ad group, as see, you can check it here. We have 4 different ad groups, as I mentioned you. So location is this, blah 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 blah, so everything is there. So we have 4 different ad groups. So now how I can make a campaign, how I can create a campaign, I'm using this ad group. I do not need to download anything, I do not need to write anything, I do not need to copy and paste this keyword to the campaign. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to directly use this ad group to make a campaign. So you just need to check this one here, create a campaign, just need to click in there. So you can make a name, you can just put a name for your campaign. Let's say I just put in mobile phone repair Auckland or New Zealand, New Zealand. And this is your average daily budget. On the behalf of keyword, whatever keyword you was searched and you made an ad group, on behalf of it, Google will give you a recommended budget by a day. It's all up to you guys. If you would like to go for customs, I cannot, my client cannot afford $539 in every day. Yes, my client can afford $100 per day, $100 per day. So you can just go for custom daily budget. So this is where we'll go. So you just need to save it here. Then after this, oh, congratulations, your new campaign is almost ready. So what do you need to do? Create ad to start appearing in search, create ads, or start a new plan. So if you would like to go for creating ads, you can go for here, create ad, and if you're not, you can just start a new plan from here as well. So we will just click on this one, create a new ad. So here you can create ads on that depends on this all four groups. This is all our four group here. This will be add automatically in your campaign. So this is all our four groups. You can say that you can just come on this window. You just no need to do anything at the moment. You're not going to make any ads. We will make a different video how you can make a good ad on a behalf of these keywords. So I'm just going to cancel these things here. So after here I will just go and click it and insert in my account. So here you can see the campaign. So here this is a campaign. See, in the NZFX, we have a campaign which we made it mobile phone repair New Zealand. This is our campaign here. And further, when you click this campaign, you have ad groups. See, who, boom. This is for ad groups are here, was made in a keyword planner. This is all four ad groups are here. So any keyword you can, any ad group you can check it and you can see the keywords in it. So this is all our keywords here. You can just check it, that all keywords we with all keywords we added 1 2 3 4 5 iPhone battery replacement, iPhone 5 screen replacement, nearby me, iPhone 5s, iPhone 5c screen replacement. This is all keywords guys here. You can check it, and in a further ad groups, you can check it also. Campaign mobile phone, this ad groups is there. You can check this Samsung one. We have some few keywords for the Samsung. We have some limited keywords for the Samsung repairs. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 cheap phone repair, Samsung screen repair, Samsung mobile phone screen repair, and screen mobile Samsung phone near repair near me. This is all keywords are here guys. So it depends. So you can check mobile phone repair, LG phone repair. This is all key, all ad groups are here. So basically I would like to tell you one thing. This is default maximum CPC. Google will decide it. You can edit if you want on a behalf of keyword research, whatever you will search over there. So further, this is all are in a broad match. We will make a video about the match type of the keywords. If you go for the keyword planners, this is a default. This is all our defaults. So guys, this is all keywords are the default type of keywords are broad match. You can see here. So any keyword you will just add it. You will see the match type is broad match. We have a phrase match, exact match. I will show you different. I will make a video for a different keyword match. So here you can find out suitable keywords from the keyword planners, and directly from keyword planner you can make a campaign and add groups. So guys, if you have any kind of questions regarding how you can use the keyword planner, just put the comment below as soon as I got your comments, and keep in touch with you via those things. So please guys, subscribe my channel. If you have any kind of problems, I will mention my website over there. You can email me anytime, or you can leave a comment. We will look after on it. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.